Understanding the Rolling Hitch Knot, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, rolling hitch. This phrase isn't about hills or transportation, but it's actually a term from the world of knots. Let's unravel the meaning together and understand where and how it's used. The rolling hitch is a type of knot, but it's not just any knot. It's a specific kind used primarily in sailing, climbing, and camping. The rolling hitch is designed to attach a rope to a rod, pole, or another rope. What makes it special is its ability to maintain a grip, even under tension. It's a practical knot with real-world applications, which we'll explore next. In this section, we delve into where the rolling hitch is most commonly used. 1. Sailing. It's used to secure a smaller rope to a larger one, especially when the larger rope is under strain. 2. Climbing. Climbers use it to ascend or adjust ropes. 3. Camping. It's handy for securing tents or tarps to poles or other lines. Let's break down how to tie a rolling hitch. 1. Wrap the rope around the object, pole or another rope. 2. Twist it around itself twice. 3. Pull the end of the rope over the object and the coils you've made. 4. Wrap it again and tuck the end under this last wrap. 5. Tighten the knot by pulling the rope. Here, we discuss why understanding terms like the rolling hitch is vital in learning English. Knots have historical and cultural significance, and their names often reflect their function or origin. Learning these terms enhances vocabulary and offers insight into various hobbies and professions. We hope this journey into the world of the rolling hitch has been both enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases not only broadens your English vocabulary but also connects you with practical skills and cultural knowledge. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the vast world of English language and culture.